Here we go. Here we are. First round, we're gonna do test and tune only. Left it on the same setting that we had it at the 8th mile track. So it should roll out. I'm trying to decide if I'm gonna run it all the way out or if I should just bail at the 8th mile. I guess depends on how I feel. Most likely I'm gonna run it out, I'm not gonna lie to you. Hopefully everything goes good. If not, it's gonna be rough to figure out if we need to decrease power or not or what, but hopefully everything goes good. It looks, it goes. We got new tires on it. And that's it, so let's get ready. Test and tune number 1. Hours later, we're still here in the same.
In test and tune.
So the good news is that the track is so sticky that there have been several cars that broke off the line. The bad news is that we've been stuck in this test and tune line, which seems like forever. Alright, looks like I'm racing this GTO or whatever that is.
About time.
Damn!
About fucking time.
A 5 or 780. Oh my god! Thank you. 787, 174. We got our 7 pass. Yes. Hell yeah. Yes, yes, yes. 7-second pass. Finally. Felt good. It had to have shift to 3rd because I just didn't feel it. The car went solid straight. Man. Wow, guys. I am in super shock right now. I don't know what to say. Oh, we even went faster than the 8th. Golly. I mean, I don't know what to say. It felt so good, dude. We didn't just kiss a 7.9, we went 7.87. Oh my god, I am in shock.
Well, yeah. You stoked or what?
I'm shaking.
Yeah?
I'm shaking. Like,
that was
awesome, man.
Dude,
congrats, dude.
I feel like a little girl. I stood up, screamed so damn loud. I was like,
I didn't touch the scramble. We didn't touch the boost. It's still on the same settings. We even went faster in the 8th.
Yeah, 5.15?
5.15.
Nice. Hell yeah. Yeah, it was rolling, man.
let me see it. You might, can I send it to the guys?
Yeah, send it. Because I'll forget. That's fastest ever, and I'm shaking. I'm shaking from this fast.
Proud of you.
You're my good luck charm.
Now, you gotta back it up.
Yep. Yeah, that doesn't count until I back it up.
You gotta do it. You gotta do it in a
I gotta-
state of mind.
I gotta do it, yeah. I tried to cut a good tree. Went 0.2, 122 in the 60, 5.1, 787, 174 mile per hour. Went a little bit down. Got my yeah.
Cletus and cars was first, and then
got my 9-second tuner over here.
7.
7 seconds. Oh, now it's time. It's time right now to insert that GIF. All right, so it looks like we got paired up with this GTR. We're gonna be in the right lane again, which is good. But yeah, GTR coming out. I don't know if you guys can see that up there, but GTR against the Bullet. I let out of it because I was ahead of the guy. I could actually look over and see his headlights. So yeah, on to the next round, third round. There's only 3 cars left in my field. Keep going.
It's all in the final.
Yeah.
What's up? We're like the most consistent one.
So that's it. That's the update. The Bullet's going rounds. We'll just keep the fun going. All right, we ended up drawing our buddy with the black Trans Am that's been going rounds as well. So if we can get past him, we've got the Fox body. The Fox body got the buy. So yeah, just got to get past this one, and then we're in the finals. Here we go. There he is. Beautiful black Trans Am. Just got to do my job.